Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video you'll be seeing a painting I decided to do of an enchanted forest. I had the idea of practicing my acrylic painting skills with a tiny landscape, which is quite different from the previous painting I made of the Valentine's mosaic painting. In that painting, I just defined regions and painted one color in each of those regions. The purpose of this new painting that I'm doing here is to work shadows, highlights, and transition between shadows and highlights. Also, I wanted to use just one color. The challenge here is to be able to create an entire scene using one color and its different shades. I chose green for this because I thought it would give a more fantastic and mystic vibe to the painting. The only other color I use aside from green is yellow to create the rays of light that are passing through the trees. I hope you enjoyed this process video and the final painting. I have mini art prints available and bookmarks of this painting. You can visit my Facebook shop and see the catalog for this and other artworks. The link is in the description. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more art content videos. I'll be seeing you in the next video.